Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Amesbury Town local and long-distance movers near me. Are you planning on moving to a new home in Amesbury Town, Massachusetts? Maybe you're upgrading to a larger home or downsizing to something cozier. Whatever the reason, local moves require the same level of care and planning as long-distance ones. That's where Amesbury Town local TM movers come in. When you choose Amesbury Town, Massachusetts, movers like 3 Movers, you're selecting a company that understands the ins and outs of Amesbury Town. Our local expertise ensures a seamless move from navigating narrow streets to complying with local regulations. Plus, with our experienced movers, you can trust that your belongings will be handled carefully. Are you moving out of Amesbury Town and need a reliable long-distance moving company? Check out Amesbury Town, long-distance 3 Movers. With the right moving company, moving won't be much of a hassle. Unlike local moves, long-distance moves require a bit more planning and preparation. Amesbury Town long-distance 3 Movers can keep your belongings safe during the move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Amesbury Town moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.